Greetings from OmegaCube Technologies. Purchase management is one of the most crucial workflows for manufacturers. Speed of production, accurate job scheduling, and timely product delivery depends on timely replenishment of right quantity of raw materials from approved suppliers. However, various human and external factors cause materials to not arrive on time, and manufacturers end up with job scheduling issues, delayed production and shipment. The manufacturer has to order goods hurriedly from unreliable suppliers at higher costs, compromise on product quality, incur labor overtime and production costs. With manufacturers using legacy systems or no proper technology to manage their manufacturing workflows, they have little visibility over existing inventory levels and number of pending orders. In such a scenario, each department acts on their own, leading to chaos and associated losses. What manufacturers need is technology-enabled purchasing that helps them to keep a track of how much material is consumed for respective jobs, forecast future orders and decide the right time to order fresh stock from reliable suppliers. With OmegaCube ERP's Advanced Purchase Management module, manufacturers can automate procure-to-pay workflows, ensure speedy purchase order creation, improve procurement efficiency, ensure speedy and automated receiving, access purchasing history and vendor performance. OmegaCube ERP provides a visual representation of workflows to manage your procure-to-pay process. The graphical flowchart represents the entire purchase management process, and can be easily customized based on how each process works. Operating personnel can easily perform various purchase order transactions at the click of a button depending on the phase of operations they are in currently. With OmegaCube ERP, purchase orders can be easily and quickly created from the purchase management workflow. A user can provide supplier information, product details to be ordered, quantity information, expected shipping date, product configuration, etc. The purchase order details can be further elaborated by linking specific purchase order to machine serial number or project number, and a purchase order report can be generated. This can be emailed to the vendor from within OmegaCube ERP itself. OmegaCube's purchase management module has powerful reporting features that increases response and efficiency. These reports provide a complete picture of your purchase management and lets you take quick decisions based on what you see. You can send automatic notifications and reminders to suppliers, procurement staff and ensure your material is on time. Through these reports, you can retrieve your entire purchasing history and pricing details for better decision-making. Once you receive the materials from the supplier, you can scan each product with the help of tablet or portable scanner. The scan details are instantly visible within the purchase management screen of OmegaCube ERP. You can generate the PO receipt at a single click of a button. Barcoded inventory labels can be generated at the time of receiving. Personnel can easily and instantly access purchase order history of a particular part or an entire batch. They can access supplier performance by analyzing on-time delivery information, spend analysis, item quantity details, invoice trends, POs by day, etc. With these, you can streamline procurement and take better decisions with respect to their suppliers. You can access quality metrics report to analyze the quality of parts, materials procured from your suppliers. Thank you for watching this video. Get in touch with our ERP experts for a detailed demo on OmegaCube ERP. Follow us on our social media handles and our blog to get the latest information on ERP and associated technology.